Hello dear friends, welcome to Tech channel. In this video, we are going to explain how to enable quick mode on the Instagram account. So watch the video carefully until the end. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon. Let's go. Step 1. Open Instagram account. Click your profile account and click menu, click notification and click quick mode. Okay, this is quick mode pair. For example, turn on quick mode and select your start time. For example, 10 p.m. and end time 7 a.m. You can turn it on for up to 12 hours. Tuesday, Sunday, Monday, and for example, you can activity days personally. You can use it very easily. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Tech on Tech.